Fidelity Bitcoin ETF sees strongest daily inflow since launch. Andrew Throuvalas last updated March 5, 2024 16:12 EST1 min read. Source, Adobe /24K production. The Fidelity Bitcoin ETF, Wise Origin Bitcoin Fund FBTC, recorded its largest number of daily inflows on Monday, absorbing $404.6 million in funds used to buy more Bitcoin BTC. By comparison, the fund's second strongest day so far was on January 17, its fourth active day of trading, when it received $358 million of inflows. Most days aside from then haven't netted more than $200 million for the fund, though its streak of non-stop inflows stayed unbroken since January 11. Big day for Fidelity Bitcoin ETF. According to BitMEX Research, Fidelity has now received $5.2 billion of flows and holds a total BTC stash worth $7.49 billion. Fidelity's success still wasn't enough to trump BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust IBIT, however, which netted $420.1 million on Monday. In total, flows into the two funds vastly outperformed sell pressure from the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust GBTC, which amounted to $368 million, contributing to daily net flows worth $562.7 million. Since its launch on January 11, Bitcoin ETFs surpassed an AUM of $50 billion on Tuesday, having started with just under $30 billion with Grayscale stash included. New flows into the funds have brought in a net new $7.9 billion, with the rest of their gains coming from Bitcoin's price appreciation. Altogether, the new 9 Bitcoin ETFs, excluding Grayscale, have received over $17 billion of net flows. For context, the world's first gold ETF took 2 years to absorb $10 billion of inflows. Gold and Bitcoin hit new all-time highs. Gold's price tapped a new all-time high of $2,140 per ounce on Tuesday, though Bitcoin's price also briefly tapped a new all-time high of $69,200. The asset has since collapsed back to $63,100 at writing time in the face of massive crypto market liquidations. Big moment for Bitcoin, but I'd argue just as big a moment for ETFs, argued Bloomberg ETF analyst Eric Balchin is regarding the asset's record high. By his analysis, Bitcoin's run-up from $25,000 since June 2023 was primarily due to hype surrounding the ETFs and actual flows into the funds after they launched. ETFs and its ecosystem so damn good at taking something and making it liquid, cheap, convenient, and standardized, he continued. Both ETFs and Bitcoin mutually benefit from one another. Follow us on Google News.